Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions which can be asked from Geography Unit 5, India, Forest Resources. The forests found in areas of heavy annual rainfall exceeding 250 centimeter are the tropical deciduous forests, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option C, the tropical evergreen forests. The tropical evergreen forests are called evergreen because the trees and plants shed their leaves. The trees shed their leaves during spring and early summer. The trees shed their leaves during winter. The trees and plants do not shed their leaves. Correct answer is option D. The trees and plants do not shed their leaves. The trees like teak, rosewood, ebony are found in mountain forests, mangrove forest, the tropical evergreen forests, the tropical deciduous forests. Correct answer is option C, the tropical evergreen forests. The tropical deciduous forests are found in areas with an annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeters, more than 250 centimeters, 100 to 200 centimeter, 60 to 100 centimeter. Correct answer is option C, 100 to 200 centimeters of rainfall. The tropical deciduous forests are also known as pre-monsoon forests, evergreen forests, scrub forests, monsoon forests. Correct answer is option D, monsoon forests. The tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forests because the trees in these forests shed their leaves during spring and early summer. The trees shed their leaves during winter. The trees and plants do not shed their leaves. The trees in these forests shed their leaves during rainy season. Correct answer is option A. The trees in these forests shed their leaves during spring and early summer. That's why the tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forests. Some important trees found in the tropical deciduous forests are ebony, mahogany, gurjan and champa, jand, khair, kalko, babul, sandalwood, kusum, kanju, myrobalan, ash, beech, pine, cedar. Important trees found in the tropical deciduous forests are sandalwood, kusum, kanju, myrobalan. Correct answer is option C. The forests found in areas having 60 to 100 centimeter of rainfall are the tropical deciduous forest, scrub forests and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option B, scrub forest and grassland. The forests found in areas with annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeters are the tropical deciduous forest, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option D, desert vegetation. The forest found in the Himalayas and to a small extent in the Nilgiri hills are the mountain forest, scrub forests and grassland, the tropical evergreen forest, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option A, the mountain forests. Spruce, fir, deodar and walnut are found in the mountain forest, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option A, the mountain forests. The forest found in wet marshy areas, in river deltas are mountain forest, mangrove forest, the tropical evergreen forest, the tropical deciduous forests. The forests found in wet marshy areas and in river deltas are mangrove forests. Option B is the correct answer. The forest found in the deltas of river on the eastern coast and in pockets on the western coast of India are mountain forest, scrub forests and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests, mangrove forests. Correct answer is option D, mangrove forests. The stilt-like roots which are submerged under water are the main feature of mountain forest, mangrove forest, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests. Correct answer is option B, mangrove forests. Palms, sundari and rhizopora trees are found in mangrove forest, mountain forest, desert vegetation, the tropical deciduous forests. Correct answer is option A, mangrove forests. The state which has the largest area under forests is Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. The state which has the least area under forest is Rajasthan, Goa, Sikkim, Punjab. Correct answer is option B, Goa. Annamalai and Mudumalai wildlife sanctuaries are found in Kerala, Telangana, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is found in Kerala, Telangana, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Nagarjun Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is found in Kerala, Telangana, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B, Telangana. Bharatpur and Ranatambur wildlife sanctuaries are found in Rajasthan, Telangana, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. The wildlife sanctuaries of Assam is Nagarjun Sagar, Periyar, Jaldapara, Manas. Correct answer is option D, Manas. Jaldapara Wildlife Sanctuaries is found in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kerala, Goa. Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. The wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka are Manas, Jaldapara, Talakaveri, BR Hills, Dandeli, Bhadra, Bharatpur, Ranatambur, Annamalai, Mudumalai, BR Hills, Bhadra, Dandeli, Bhadra, Talakaveri, BR Hills. Correct answer is option D. Dandeli, Bhadra, Talakaveri, BR Hills are the wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka. Kaziranga National Park is in Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Assam. Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. Option D is the correct answer. Sundarbans National Park is in Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Assam. Sundarbans National Park is in West Bengal. Option C is the correct answer. Corbett National Park is in Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Assam. Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. The National Park of Gujarat is Corbett, Kanna, Gir, Dudhwa. The National Park of Gujarat is option C, Gir. Kanna National Park is in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat. Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. The national parks of Karnataka are Bandipur, Bannerghatta, Nagarhole, Bandipur, Bannerghatta, Kaziranga, Bannerghatta, Nagarhole and Corbett, Bandipur, Nagarhole and Sariska. Correct answer is option A, Bandipur, Bannerghatta and Nagarhole. Sariska National Park is in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat. Sariska National Park is in Rajasthan. Option B is the correct answer. The National Park of Uttar Pradesh is Corbett, Kanna, Gir, Dudhwa. The National Park of Uttar Pradesh is Dudhwa. Option D is the correct answer. Tadoba National Park is in Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Maharashtra. Tadoba National Park is in option D, Maharashtra. These forests do not shed their leaves all at the same time in the year. The tropical deciduous forest, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forest, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option C, the tropical evergreen forests. Monsoon forests are also known as the tropical deciduous forest, scrub forest and grassland, the tropical evergreen forests, desert vegetation. Correct answer is option A, the tropical deciduous forests.